Good afternoon, everybody. I'm sorry it's been forever since I've posted, but you know, the holiday season, getting busy, life is insane. I got an unboxing today. I bought myself some new lamps. I did the research. I checked nanometer wavelengths, wattage, all the products I have. Let me tell you, I spent like a good couple hours learning about what I needed to get some new lamps, because it is time. I've had these Darling lamps from Nail Couture for 4 years. Say hi to George, everybody, my baby boy. He loves being in here, but let me tell you, it adds to a lot of cleanup. I'm so excited. This is my New Year, New Me splurge. Now, I was hoping they'd get here before my next client gets here. Ooh, I'm so excited. All right, let's get this out of here. Get out of the way. Get out of the way, box. So I got the Lavinda 54-watt lamps from Amazon. They were $92 a piece. I'm all about the 2 lamps. I know a lot of people are moving back to the 1 lamp and the big, beautiful horseshoe armrest. But you know, I like to work efficiently. And sometimes I work fast. Oh, it's beautifully packaged. Look at that. You can see the pink. I bet you can all tell I am a pink girl. Look at that. Oh, she's gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Oh my God, I'm so excited to use these today. All right, out of here. Get out of here. Oh, look how gorgeous. She is beautiful. Oh, see, now I'm excited about this. I'm just gonna rip through it. Oh, look at all of those lights in there. And this is what I really wanted most in a lamp. All right, get out of here. Get out of here. Is the metal bottom. Because, well, the other bottoms are nice. I want to be able to sanitize this with acetone, clean it up. And you know what? Like, just keep it really nice. I'm just going to leave that for right now. Magnetic. Oh, look at those. Look how gorgeous those are. Oh my God. I am so excited. Alrighty. We got our power cords. I didn't get rechargeable just because I wanted just have a product I can rely on. Not worry if the battery's dead. Plug it in, easy for me. Will I have a mess of cords? Yep, but that's fine. All right, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna get these new ladies all set up and put the other ones into storage for backups because they still work. They got some life in them yet. So you know what? I'm going to use them to do some teaching for my daughter. She wants to learn how to do nails. All right, signing off. Bye-bye. Love you.